Greetings to everyone. At this point, I'll demonstrate the system I developed for tracking the distribution of the self-learning modules by scanning the LRN integrated QR code. This system is primarily intended for use in public schools. Choose quarter and week here, then click Proceed to open the main window. In the Settings tab, we will enter the section name, grade level, and advisor's name, and then click Save. We'll simply repeat the process for each section that we entered. The strand is the next setting, where we will enter the strand name, which is required for senior high school and junior high school. If the grade level chosen is elementary, the system will assign a no strand automatically. In the event that you made an error in entering the strand, you have the opportunity to remove it and edit it. In order to make changes to the school settings, we must first update the school information, which includes the school name, division name, school ID, district, and address. In the following step, locate the school logo in your local directory and hit the Update button. The school year is the next option. We'll use the drop-down menu to select the current school year and then record the module distribution in that manner. Here, we'll specify the directory path for the folder containing each student's QR code. Following that, we'll click the Save button to save the configuration. Within the grade level setting, we have the option of specifying the department for which the system is intended. At each grade level, the system will assign the appropriate grade level automatically. Grade levels 1 to 6 are assigned to the drop-down menu for the elementary department. Grade levels 7 to 10 are being assigned to the junior high department. Grades 11 and 12 are being assigned to the senior high. We'll now move on to the Manage tab, where we'll encode the student's information. We will populate the text boxes with each student's data. The LRN number will be encoded into the QR code that is automatically generated. The system populates the parent-guardian field with an undeclared text, but the teacher has the option of encoding the parent's or guardian's name if he or she has a record of it. Following that, click the Enroll button. Each student on the list is editable and can be deleted. Simply click the Edit button and then the Update button to confirm the changes. To delete a student from the list, click the Delete button and confirm the deletion by clicking the Yes button in the pop-up window. When the initial QR card provided was lost, the option to print the QR card is available. A window will open. Click the Generate button to preview the QR card before proceeding to print. You can print all QR cards that belong to a specific section using the QR card tab. Simply select the section from the drop-down menu. Now we'll begin tracking the modules. Because the system includes a QR card reader, we will simulate readings from the student's QR card at this point. Following the scan, the student's information will appear on the dashboard. The system keeps track of students who return their modules in each section, which can be seen in the dashboard. If you scan the QR card twice, a piece of information indicating that it has already been processed will appear. If the student does not bring the QR card, a search option is available for the system to record the student's attendance. Simply press the letter S on the keyboard and type in the student's last name, select from the list that appears, and press Enter. To assist teachers in determining which quarter or week students returned their modules, the Manage tab includes the option to view history by selecting View History in each of the lists. We can view the module distribution records by selecting the appropriate report from the Reports menu. You can choose the first option, with quarterly and weekly records. This option displays the list of all students who returned modules in all sections, grouped by section and gender, and sorted alphabetically by the last name. If you want to obtain a list of all students in all sections who did not return their module by a specified quarter and week, the second option is the best choice. If you want to obtain a list of students who returned modules in a particular section, you will choose the third option, with record by section per quarter and week. Obtaining a list of students who did not return their modules from a particular section, the last one is the best option. In some instances, a student failed to return the modules on the specified module returning day. Afterward, he or she shows up to return the module and the teacher is way ahead of the tracking process. This can be recorded in the system by pressing the letter Q on the keyboard. This will bring up a window that the teacher has the option to change the current quarter or week numbers being set. After recording the delayed module return, it is necessary to set the quarter and week number settings to the current one to process the remaining one. To learn more about the system, send me a private message or leave a comment below, or send me an email. Thank you so much for your support.